If you're looking to improve your home's ventilation, comfort, and style in Glendale, awning windows are an excellent solution. These versatile windows open outward from the bottom, allowing for continuous airflow while protecting your home from rain, dust, and debris. Whether you're renovating your existing home or building a new one, awning windows can provide numerous benefits that enhance both functionality and aesthetics. Why ventilation matters in your home. Proper ventilation is essential for maintaining a healthy and comfortable indoor environment. Without adequate airflow, indoor air can become stagnant, leading to moisture buildup, mold growth, and poor air quality. By choosing the right windows, you can naturally improve air circulation, reduce dependence on artificial cooling, and create a more energy-efficient home. Glendale's warm climate makes ventilation even more crucial. High temperatures and dry conditions can lead to discomfort if homes lack proper airflow. Awning windows offer an effective way to keep fresh air moving through your home, reducing reliance on air conditioning and promoting a cooler, fresher living space. Benefits of awning windows for ventilation: continuous airflow, rain or shine. One of the standout features of awning windows is their ability to remain open even during light rain. Since they open outward from the bottom, they create a protective shield that prevents rain from entering while still allowing fresh air to circulate. This means you can enjoy a well-ventilated home without worrying about the weather. Improved indoor air quality. Indoor air can become polluted due to everyday activities such as cooking, cleaning, and even breathing. Awning windows provide a way to let out stale air and bring in fresh outdoor air, reducing indoor pollutants and creating a healthier environment for you and your family. Maximized ventilation in compact spaces. Awning windows are ideal for smaller rooms or areas where ventilation is needed but space is limited. They can be placed higher on walls, in kitchens, bathrooms, and basements, ensuring efficient airflow without taking up much room. Their compact design allows them to fit into spaces where traditional sliding or double-hung windows may not be practical. Enhanced energy efficiency. By strategically placing awning windows throughout your home, you can reduce the need for artificial cooling. Cross ventilation helps regulate indoor temperatures, keeping your home cooler in the summer months. Additionally, modern awning windows come with energy-efficient glass options that help insulate your home, reducing energy bills year-round. Increased security and durability. Security is a top priority for homeowners in Glendale. Awning windows are designed with sturdy locking mechanisms and durable frames that make them more secure than traditional window styles. Since they open outward from the bottom, they are harder to tamper with from the outside, adding an extra layer of protection to your home. Choosing the right awning windows for your Glendale home. When selecting awning windows, consider factors such as frame material, glass type, and placement. High-quality materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum offer durability and low maintenance. Energy-efficient glass options, including low-E coatings and double glazing, enhance insulation and comfort. Placement is key to maximizing ventilation. Installing awning windows in areas like bathrooms, kitchens, and bedrooms can significantly improve airflow and air quality. Pairing them with other window styles, such as picture windows, can also enhance both ventilation and aesthetic appeal. Professional installation for lasting benefit. To fully enjoy the benefits of awning windows, professional installation is recommended. Expert installers ensure a perfect fit, proper sealing, and long-term performance. By working with a trusted window replacement company in Glendale, you can be confident that your awning windows will provide maximum ventilation, security, and energy efficiency for years to come. Final thoughts. A smart choice for a breath of fresh air. Enhancing ventilation in your Glendale home is essential for comfort, health, and energy savings. Awning windows provide an attractive, functional, and efficient way to improve airflow without compromising security or aesthetics. Whether you're upgrading your existing home or starting fresh, consider awning windows as a stylish and practical investment. If you're ready to experience the benefits of awning windows, contact a local window expert in Glendale today. A professional consultation will help you find the best window solutions tailored to your needs, ensuring your home stays fresh, comfortable, and well ventilated year-round.